Welcome to Elevate Alpha. Listen carefully. If you want an extraordinary life, you need an extraordinary addiction. And no, I'm not talking about Netflix, not TikTok, not comfort. I'm talking about hard work. Yeah, that thing most people run away from like it's a disease. You need to get hooked on it. You need to crave it like oxygen. Because if you don't, you will spend your entire life watching other people live the life you wanted. Let me ask you something. Why are you here? You want money, freedom, that dream car, that house on the hill. Or maybe you want to shut up the voices that said you'd never make it. Whatever it is, let me tell you the truth. Nothing, and I mean nothing, is going to save you except your ability to work harder than everyone else. Forget motivation. Forget waiting for the right time. The world doesn't care about your excuses. It rewards one thing: relentless, obsessive, unstoppable work ethic. I want to tell you a quick story. Years ago, a guy I know wanted to become a professional athlete. He had talent, sure, but so did everyone else. You know what set him apart? He was the first guy in the gym and the last to leave. When others were out partying, he was grinding. When they were sleeping, he was sweating. You know what he told me? Hard work became my drug. He said when he wasn't training, he felt sick, he needed the grind, he needed the pain, he needed the fight. That's what you need, not balance, not comfort, addiction. Because that's the only way you beat the average. That's the only way you separate yourself from the billions of people doing the bare minimum. Let me burn this into your head. Comfort is a trap. Every time you choose comfort over effort, you kill a little piece of your future. You think you can cheat the system. You think working just enough will make you great. No, you want to be remembered. You want to build a life that silences every doubter and every hater. Then you better learn to love the pain that comes with the grind. Because guess what? Success is not sexy in the process. It's sleepless nights, it's missed parties, it's sacrifice. It's saying no when everyone else says yes. And most people can't handle that. They want the trophy without the fight. They want the body without the diet. The money without the risk. Not you, not after today. You need to flip a switch in your brain. From I have to work hard to I get to work hard. You need to become addicted to that feeling when your muscles burn, when your brain wants to quit, but you keep going anyway. You need to crave the struggle because the struggle is what makes you unstoppable. Every rep in the gym, every extra hour on your business, every moment studying when everyone else is watching TV. That's the difference between average and elite. So stop asking for motivation. Stop waiting for inspiration. Start working until people call you obsessed. Then work harder. Right now, make a promise. You're done living like everyone else. You're done choosing easy. You're done settling for good enough. From this moment, you become addicted to hard work. You wake up earlier, you stay up later. You outwork every single person in the room. Because the truth is this: nobody cares how you feel. The world only respects results. So go get them. Stop watching videos. Stop scrolling. Shut this down and go to war with your goals. This is Elevate Alpha. And if you're ready to level up, hit that like button and subscribe, because here, we turn men and women into unstoppable machines. Now get to work. Comfort is poison. Hard work is the antidote. Choose wisely.